Congratulations on finishing the course What Makes a Good Speech by Mount2 Speak. At this point, you have learned about all the fundamentals of public speaking, from fluency and coherence, delivery, and language to mental strength. Now, you're almost ready to kickstart your practice journey at Mount2Speak.com. But before you go, here are some final words. Firstly, all of the individual aspects you have taken a look at, from pauses, repetitions, fillers, speaking speed, and body language to lexical resources and grammar, should be improved altogether rather than separately. Therefore, try to evaluate every speech of yours comprehensively for optimal progress. Secondly, this course only serves as a starting point for your future learning and practice. To excel at public speaking, there are many more things you would have to learn, from storytelling and visuals to audience engagement. Therefore, keep being open to learning and growing. Thirdly, all of this would mean nothing if you don't practice public speaking regularly. Practice does make perfect, and constructive feedback would be the cherry on top to fuel your growth as a speaker. If you don't know where to practice or whom to get feedback from, check out Mount2 Speak. As your speaking mentor, Mount2 Speak offers a judgment-free and nourishing environment for you to practice your speaking skills and get AI-powered feedback for your performance. Now you can practice on your own, whenever and wherever you want, and still get the insightful feedback you need for improvement. We hope you find this course helpful and wish you all the best in your journey of becoming great speakers with Mount2 Speak.